My roasted garlic potatoes are perfect for any occasion and are sure to become a family favorite. They are crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and bursting with garlic flavor. The recipe is in the description below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We're going to start by roughly chopping some red potatoes into cubes. I have 3 pounds of red potatoes and I've already washed and scrubbed all of them. So now I'm going to cut them into slices that are about 1 inch thick and then into strips to form some potato cubes. When you're done, make sure to preheat your oven to 425 degrees so your oven's all ready when you're ready to add your seasoned potatoes. Don't worry if your diced potatoes aren't exactly the same size. Then we're going to add a high temperature oil to a baking sheet. I'm using some avocado oil. Then you're going to add your potatoes all over the baking sheet. You're probably going to want to split this into 2 since it's 3 pounds of potatoes. Top it off with a little bit more avocado oil, lots of garlic salt, a good amount of some onion powder, lots of Italian seasoning, some smoked paprika. This makes it a bit orange and gives it a smoky flavor, and then some black pepper. Mix this all together so all of the seasoning is distributed, and then make sure to spread out your potatoes nice and evenly so they have enough space to crisp up. Top them off with a little bit more avocado oil. Add this to your oven and bake at 425 for at least 30 to 40 minutes, flipping the potatoes at least halfway through in the cooking process. Looking nice and crispy. Serve these up with some fresh chopped parsley and ketchup. These are perfect for a quick breakfast side, dinner side, or as a snack. Please enjoy.